Mice and rats can't stand this. Just a few drops and they run like crazy. They are not just annoying visitors in your home. They are a serious health risk because they can carry diseases such as salmonella and hantavirus. In addition to this, they damage property and leave behind droppings and urine wherever they go, which is both unhygienic and dangerous. If you want to get rid of them in a simple and humane way, without poisoning or killing, here is a natural repellent recipe you can prepare in just a few minutes. All you need are a few inexpensive and easy to find ingredients. Before you start, keep in mind that rodents are most attracted to leftover food and garbage. Make sure to clear away any waste and remove possible hiding spots in your yard or home. Only then will the repellent work at its best. Begin by pouring 300 milliliters of plain, inexpensive vinegar into a bowl. Vinegar has a double effect. Its strong smell repels rodents and insects while at the same time disinfecting surfaces they have contaminated. Next, add a spoonful of mint tea or a few drops of peppermint essential oil. You can even use mint toothpaste if that is all you have. The sharp mint aroma irritates rodents and makes them avoid any treated areas. Then mix in half a spoon of cinnamon. This spice has a distinctive scent that humans find pleasant, but is too strong for sensitive noses of mice and rats, so it disorients them and creates discomfort. Finally, add a little red chili pepper or black pepper. Both have strong, pungent smells that are highly unpleasant to rodents, forcing them to stay away. Let the mixture sit in water for a few hours, so all the ingredients can blend well. After that, strain it through gauze and you will have a clean liquid concentrate. You may dilute it with water, depending on how strong you want to be. Spray this repellent in all the corners and spots where you notice rodent activity. As long as there is no food or garbage available, they will quickly leave your home. Thank you for watching, and let us know where you are tuning in from. Greetings to all,